Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So let's continue our class. Check out page number 174. So today we'll learn about the shelters. Okay, about the shelters, home of the animals, homes of the animals. So why do we need shelter? We need shelter to protect us from the weather, right? We need shelters to protect us from the weather, from heat, cold and rain. We also need shelters to keep our possessions safe. So animals live in the different kinds of surroundings and the shelters that best suit their needs. So the elephant and the monkeys live in the forest, right? They are living in the forest. So zebras and the giraffe live in the grasslands. And the tall grass help the zebras to hide from lions. Tall grasses जो होती हैं वो zebras को hide करती है जिससे वो खुद को protect कर सकते हैं. Which also live there. Rabbit live in the burrows to be safe from foxes and the other animals. Rabbits जो है वो burrows में रहते हैं खुद को protect करने के लिए from foxes and the other animals. Then some animals need shelter for their babies to be born or for their eggs to be laid and hatch. कुछ एनिमल्स जो है वो अपने बेबीज के लिए और कुछ अपने एग्स ले करने के लिए भी शेल्टर्स उनको ज़रूरत होती है शेल्टर्स की और टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स एंड देयर यंग वंस फ्रॉम द डेंजर्स. ओके, देन द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स सच एज द लायन एंड द टाइगर मे फाइंड अ सेफ प्लेस अमंग रॉक्स इन द फॉरेस्ट. लायंस और जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं वो रॉक्स के पास ऐसे जगहों पे जो है अपना ठिकाना बनाते हैं वहाँ पे. द ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स सच एज द डियर एंड द ज़ेब्रा डू नॉट हैव अ होम. Like rabbits and the other animals are having their shelters, their homes, right? But the zebra and the deer do not have their own homes. They move about in herds for safety. वो खुद को बचाने के लिए जो है वहीं पे herds में जो है move होते रहते हैं वहाँ पे. Which animal build home or shelter? Let's see which animal is building the shelters or homes. Most birds do, means mostly birds जो है ऐसा करते हैं. Rodents and the insects also build shelters. ये भी जो है shelters बनाते हैं. They use different types of building materials such as the leaves, woods, grass and the string and even their own saliva also. They are using these all things to make their shelters. They do not have to be taught how to build the shelters. Means उन्हें ये सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि shelters को किस तरह से बनाना है. They know by instincts. उन लोगों को ये पहले से ही पता है by their instincts. Then we'll see the nest of the birds. So small birds build nest with the grass and the hay. Means जो small birds होते हैं mostly वो grass और hay से जो है अपने nest बनाते हैं, घोंसला बनाते हैं. Bigger birds such as the eagle need stronger nest. Like eagle वो जो है एक उसके लिए उसको nest बनाने के लिए क्या है strong nest की जरूरत है उसको. They use twigs and the pieces of the sticks. वो अपने nest बनाने के लिए क्या है twigs और pieces of sticks को use करती है. The tailor bird stretches leaf together to build a nest. You can see here in this picture. This is the tailor bird. This is the nest of a tailor bird. So what this bird can do? The tailor bird stretches leaves together to build a nest. Then the weaver bird builds a dome-shaped nest with a long tunnel-like entrance. You can see in this picture nest of a weaver bird. The nest is very clearly woven. An African weaver bird does not weave but ties knots to build her nest. Then we'll go for the next page. Nest can vary in size from the tiny thimble-sized nest of the hummingbird to the 3 meters wide nest of an African bald eagle. Then the birds that feed on the ground such as the ostrich and the wood pheasant make the simplest nest. They just scratch a hollow in the earth on sand and they lay their eggs in it. Okay, so this is the nest of a hummingbird. Then this is the nest of a bald eagle. Okay, it is about 3 meters wide. इसकी जो nest रहती है वो 3 meter wide होती है. Then homes of the other animals. So the squirrel, rats and the other rodent gnaw wood with their sharp front teeth and use the pieces to build their homes. Then the beavers इज द बेस्ट इंजीनियर, बीवर जो है वो एक बेस्ट इंजीनियर की तरह है, मीन्स वो इतने अच्छे से अपना शेल्टर बनाती है. इट कैन gnaw and cut down trees near a river and build a dam.